So guess what? Today I'm cooking macaronis with cheese and herbs, and it's gonna be really good. So yeah, first of all we have to boil the macaronis. So I have 3 packets with me. Yeah, let's boil them. So as you can see that I've put macaronis in it, and let's wait for it to boil. So we also have to put some oil, not oil, I mean the salt, yeah. So it will be like 3 spoonful of salt. We can also put some oil in it so that they don't stick with each other. And I'm stirring them up like this, so that the salt can reach everywhere. So on the other side I put this oil and ginger and garlic paste, and you just have to stir it a little bit. Then we put some chicken in it. And then we put some salt in it. And some black pepper. It's like crushed black pepper. On the other side, the macaronis are still not boiled yet. So I will just let it cook for a while. So I'll just put a lid on it. And then still waiting for the macaronis. So I put some thyme in it, which is very good for your health. And then I'm putting in some chili flakes because it's all white and black. I want it to be a little bit red also. Then mix it. So if you see these white bubbles on your macaronis, don't worry, it's just that macaronis were rabbit. I'm just kidding. Okay, so what I did is when they were like boiled and they were soft, so I put them in a strainer here to strain the water out. So let them just cool down here for a while. In the pan here, we put the oil. It's about 2 tablespoons. And then we take this is ginger and garlic paste. You can make it yourself. It's very easy. Just crush them both and like grind them. So mix them with the oil. And let it cook for a while. Okay, then we put this sauce in it. This is pasta sauce, and put it aside. I'm gonna mix it well in it. And then we put the macaronis in it. Slowly, not too fast. Then we take some chicken, some of it. It's like we are making layers here. Put some of the chicken here. Oh, one of them. Whoa. And then put them inside. And then mix. It's like we do that because if you put them all together with each other, then you won't be able to mix it very well. Okay, some more macaronis. You get the idea, right? How to do that. And then some more pasta sauce. And then some more chicken. So all of it is mixed and it seems good so far. So this is the final macaronis. I'm pretty sure it's not called macaronis yet, but yeah, it's pasta, so it's really good. And I'm pretty sure it tastes really good too. But let me taste it. See it? See this? It's amazing, right? It's so good, guys. Seriously, try it. It's gonna be so good. Have fun, okay? Bye.